Hi, my name's Kevin Little. I'm a senior manager with Providence Healthcare, and I'm standing in front of the main entrance of the new St. Paul's Hospital, located on Station Street and National. We're about a block from the SkyTrain. Over to my left side is the public elevators that are being formed up now. And behind me, this is the main pickup drop-off area for the hospital and the Clinical Support and Research Center, which currently is those piles of gravel. We're currently standing in front of the emergency department parking lot area once we're up at the main level. Over by the rebar is where the main entrance will be. Patients can walk in this area here. The emergency department is located on the east side of the campus, and it's just west of Trillium Field. The ambulances enter in on the very north end of the site where that blue crane is currently, and the ambulances will loop in. There'll be a covered area for unloading patients. We're currently standing on P4, which is the bottom of the parkade. We're about 14 meters from level 1, and then the hospital will be 11 stories, but there are higher floors. It would be the equivalent of a 21-story residential high-rise. Off over on the right upper area would be the entrance to the cycling center off National. Cycling center will be located down on P1 level, be a secured cycling facility for staff. Parkade will have about 1,200 parking stalls, 100 of which would be electric.